Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates.
1, 2, 3, trap.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place where you'll make us just be alone, be alone. All those nights, lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you rode off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, chasing you. Trying to find a place where we can be alone. All those nights, lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
That was a glimpse of the drive with 5 passengers. Now talking about the drive, the engine of i20 is very different compared to any other car I have driven. It's very similar to Baleno in terms of the characteristics. Till 2000 rpm the power is very low, and after that it's good. Even with 5 passengers the car didn't feel any different, but since I wanted to have fun while driving, I was trying to keep the RPM between 2000 to 2500 because that's where you get the actual power. Below that you feel that the power is very less. It's very linear and it's very like the power comes very slowly, so you feel it's underpowered, but it's actually not underpowered. That's how the engine is. And if you keep it below that RPM, you're gonna get good mileage. And if you want to have fun, then you can keep above 2000 rpm. That's what I was doing. What was the mileage I was getting because I was keeping it at 2000 to 2500? For that I will let you all guess in the comment section below, and maybe in a future video I'll tell you what was the mileage I was getting. And yeah, many more videos about i20 coming. If you want to see any particular video, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this short video, don't forget to hit on that like button. Share this video with your friends too, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. This is Rishabh signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.